Okay, in this video we are going to compute the area of a circle. Good. In the first step we are going to import from the math module the p constant. We can see the value of that constant using the print statement. Here we need to use import okay, p, and execute the code. And this is an approximation for the p value, for the p constant. Okay, now we can request from the user the radius of the circle. Radius equal to, we convert the string that returns the input function. In input function we will specify a string that indicate what the user need to input to this program. Input the circles radius, circles radius. We need to create a string using the double quote radius, semicolon, space, and close the string using double quotes. Okay. After that we will create an area variable, and in that variable we will store the computation of p per radius to the second power. To express the exponentiation in Python code, we need to use two asterisks and then the exponent. Now we can show the area of that circle. Open parentheses in front of the print function and pass as a parameter area. We can execute this code. In this location we need to input a value. For example, I will write 5, press enter, and the area is approximate to 78.54. That is an approximation for the circle that has a phi as the radius. Okay.